What's up, Titans? My name is Nylene Garcia.
And I'm Jonathan Soto, and you're watching Titan Weekly.
This week, we'll be talking about the Olympics, the Super Bowl, and even some interesting scam artists. Let's get started.
Well, Titans, we may have just started back on campus, but the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics are in full swing. America currently holds 7 medals, putting us at the 3rd on the leaderboard.
Speaking of medals, Russian figure skater Kamila Valieva was allowed to compete despite failing a drug test in December. The International Olympic Committee has decided that she will be allowed to compete, but any medal ceremonies she's involved in will not take place until the case is officially closed.
What do you think of the situation, Eileen?
I think as long as the drugs didn't enhance her performance and let her come out on top, it should be totally okay. Speaking of sports, we can't forget about Super Bowl Sunday, now can we? Fans everywhere were kept on the edge of their seats as the Los Angeles Rams battled it out with the Cincinnati Bengals. With less than 2 minutes remaining, the Rams' Matthew Stafford and Cooper Kupp put together a game-winning drive and led the Rams to victory with a score of 23-20.
The halftime show sent us on a trip back to the 2000s with Snoop Dogg, Dr. Dre, Eminem, Mary J. Blige, and Kendrick Lamar performing some of their biggest hits, sending the audience on a trip down memory lane. I thought it was very LA.
I thought it was so cool. It was just hit after hit after hit, and my family could not get enough.
A recent Netflix documentary may have you deleting all your dating apps for good. The film, titled The Tinder Swindler, tells the story of only 3 women who were scammed out of thousands of their own dollars.
Simon, the known Tinder swindler, would get their trust by showing them his flashy lifestyle, then ask for their money because his enemies are tracing his money and threatening him. This intense Netflix documentary is not one to miss. I mean, I watched it the other day with my friend and I was just screaming at the TV the whole time.
It sounds a little intense. I don't know if I'm gonna be watching this. Well, speaking of scammers, the limited drama series Inventing Anna has been trending as well. It is mostly based on a true story of Anna Sorokin, or Anna Delvey, and how she scammed many.
The show, whose tagline is, quote, "The whole story is completely true except for all the parts that are totally made up," end quote, shows Anna leaving her friend to pick up a bill for a trip to Morocco, leaving many hotel bills unpaid, and getting a major loan from a financial institution by pretending to be an heiress. And that's only some of the ways that she scammed people.
How did she get away with all of that?
I don't know, but I need to know her ways. Titans, have you noticed that campus is a little more study-friendly than we left it? Well, that's thanks to a few brand new renovations. This includes new benches, power outlets, Wi-Fi extenders, and new shades to keep us cool.
How cool is that? Sounds great for studying or hanging out with friends as the weather warms up here in California.
And the power outlets are so clutch.
Well, guys, that's all the time we have for today.
Tune in next time for some more fresh entertainment and CSUF news. I'm Nylene Garcia.
And I'm Jonathan Soto.
We'll see you
next week.